Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on the flashlight in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So slide down once from the top, slide down one more time. You're going to see the torch icon, long press on the torch icon, and now you have the brightness settings. In order to change the brightness settings, you must turn on the torch, and you can see the torch is on right here. You can slide across to change the brightness levels like so. So you can look at level 5, now go to level 1, and you can see there is less brightness. Now once you have the desired setting, just tap on done, and you can just tap on the torch to quickly turn it off and on. It will use the last setting you used. So if I long press and I set this to level 5, turn off, turn back on, you can see it's going to use the level 5 setting. It does say that the camera may cause low temperature burns. That's a load of BS, but if you are genuinely concerned, just use level 3 brightness or lower. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.